Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a crystal haul to show you, and I placed some orders. I placed some orders. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So I placed a few different orders from a crystal company, and I wanted to show you what I purchased. And I'm really excited because I really want to put these away. I've never really placed an order like this where I'm just ordering just crystals. I've normally been doing like the subscription boxes, and that's how I've been getting a lot of my crystals and that kind of thing. But I did cancel my crystal subscription that I was doing. The only thing that I was really excited about was like the small little $4 crystal that they would put in there, and all the other stuff, a lot of it was like a lot of gold or brass or just things that I probably wouldn't really use. But there is a company that I had been following. They are called LovingThyselfRocks. I was following them on their Instagram, and then they opened up a storefront, and it's literally only a few cities away from me. I haven't been able to get over there just yet, but I noticed they started doing like these, well, I guess they've been doing it. I just noticed that they do lives, and they'll do lives within so much time frame. You know, they tell you when they're going to do it and the times that it's going to be. And basically they'll do a live and they will show you all the different stuff that they have on sale for that particular live. And if you want to purchase it, whoever puts in first their claim number with their name at the end of it, they send you an invoice. You have 24 hours to pay it, and then they ship it out to you. So I thought it was a great way for me to kind of see what they have, so I would kind of prepare myself when I do go there, what kind of stuff they would have in their shop, you know? So I was following and just watching them, and I really like it because you can see the crystals in their hand, so you can kind of see, you know what I mean? Like if you just look at a crystal, you don't know if it's a crystal, or a crystal, you know what I'm saying? You just see an image. But when they actually have it in their hand, you can see it to a human size hand, and you can see, you know, obviously what type of size it would be. And a few of the ones that I really wanted, apparently my internet sucks and they didn't get mine first. Somebody else got in first. So there's a few that I didn't get, but things happen for a reason. I gotta keep saying that, things happen for a reason. But let me go ahead and show you the first one that I had purchased, and then I'll open up the other ones. So down in here, I kind of opened everything up and just kind of set it in here to make it easy. But when I did receive it, everything was totally wrapped up in bubble wrap and everything so protected. Nothing was broken, chipped, damaged, or anything of that nature. So some of these I don't know the names or anything. I mean, I am learning as I go. So I will just tell you what I know. I think, did I keep my packing slip in here? No, I did not. So if I find out what they are, I might put it on the bottom if I can go back and find my packing slip so I can tell you, because I don't know what half of these are, but I'm really excited. So let me show you. Let me finish pulling these out. Okay, so one thing that came inside was a thing that has their information on it, and it says, you know, thank you from ordering, and then SMILE, it's contagious. They also put another little thank you card in here, and then it looks like this would be like a bookmark, but the owner did make her own book, and it's called The Ultimate Guide to Crystals. You can pre-order it right now if you would like. I already purchased it. Like the day that they said you can pre-order it, I went and purchased it off of Amazon. So as soon as it's delivered, I'm going to be super excited because it looks like a really neat book. But what she's doing is every day she's showing like a different page of it. So if you want to know like what could be in the book, you can just follow them and you can kind of see. But that's neat. You have a bookmark. I'll use it for that book when I get the book. And you know what I thought? I thought it'd be really neat when I finally do receive the book, to actually take it to the shop, to actually look at the shop. Oh my gosh, though. If you are ever in Central Florida and you go to this place, they have, and I when I go, I need somebody to go with me so they can take the picture, but they have like a little chair. I think it's like a clear quartz chair, and then two big huge things of like amethyst, which go out kind of like wings, you know, and you can take a picture there. So I'm gonna have to bring somebody with me so they can take a picture of me when I'm there. But I'm really excited. I know our niece loves looking at stuff like that, so maybe I can drag her little booty over here one day and go with me. But when I get the book, I thought it would be really neat to go, and maybe I can get her to actually autograph it in person. That would be really neat. So since this is the one I'm using as my pointer, I'm gonna start with this one first. Now, this one is really cute because it has like the open little druzies in here, I guess you call them. And I think this is super pretty. I love that point. So this one right here, I believe I paid $31 because the way they do it is like they have a claim number of 32 and then the bottom will say the price. So I paid $31 for this guy right here, but that is really pretty. So then up next is this 1 ounce of copper, and this one I paid $16. She said this does a lot of good things, so I was like, oh, grab me one of those. And if you follow me, you know how much I love my moons. This one I had to grab, and this has the sun and the moon. I believe this one's a labradorite, like how it shines and shifts. This one says $35, but look at how pretty. And then the back of it. So there's that. And then I did get one mushroom, and I got, this one is, I think it says $28. So here's a mushroom. It's a little heavy guy too. Then I got this heart. I believe this one was $25. But it's shaped like a heart. And here's another heart, labradorite, I believe. And then the back side. And I think these were like a little flash sale, like, you know, put this claim and I can add this for so much to your box, or it might have been tossed in, because I think one thing sometimes what they'll do too is if they have a lot of them, they'll be like, okay, the next so many claims will get an item for free. So I don't know if I don't think I paid for this one because there's nothing on it. I think this might have just jumped in my box as an added bonus. Up next is another point, and this one was $24, and I believe this is the one that glows like a pinkish color in like a UV light, I believe, because one of them does show, like, glow a different color in a UV light, and I believe it's this one. So there's that guy. Okay, one more point, and this one I believe is the pink amethyst. I paid $35 for it. This is what it looks like. And so there's that. And I definitely wanted the points because I have so many little tiny crystals that I wanted something that could stand and give me some height, you know? So I grabbed this one because it's a freestanding one as well. And I love these colors. So this one I believe was $28. And when I say I believe, is I don't know if I paid the full price or if it was a hair off on a sale. I don't think this one was on sale though. I think I actually paid full price. But look at how pretty. And I love that it freestands, you know? It's so pretty. I love those colors. So there's that. And here's another freestand. Now, I know I was trying to do like one of each type, and I think these are both the same, so I don't know how I ended up with an egg and a freeform. This one here did come with a little plastic guy. I'll show you that in just a second. But this one is a freeform. This was $32. And that is what it looks like. And then the egg is a deeper green. This one says $31. And again, it came with this little stand to keep it on. So I appreciate that. I almost didn't see this guy. So if you do get an egg, there's a little clear plastic thing for it to stand on inside of there as well. Then I got this, I think this is a palm stone, and this one I paid $20. And then there's the back side. but just super, super pretty. And obviously I was drawn to this with the color. Some of the ones that they'll tell you like, oh, you know, they might show you like a whole like tray and say comment claim number, blah, blah, blah. And we'll put one of these in your box. So they basically choose it with intention for you. And other ones, you're looking at the specific one and you're choosing that specific one. So it just depends, but I thought it was really neat. I liked it. Then I got this. It came in a little set and it has 3 pieces down inside. I think I paid $20 for this one. I don't quite remember, but it comes with a big piece and then it came with a few smaller pieces. Here's the bigger piece. This is just so pretty. So here's the bigger chunk. And then the 3 little pieces. So here's the smaller one. This one is really pretty. And then there's this little sliver. So this came in a set with this one and then the 3 little pieces down in this bag. Now this one I'm so excited about because I've always wanted one that you see it and then it actually opens and it's 2 pieces. They have one that you actually open up and it's so expensive. Like if I hit the lotto, they're the first place I'm gonna go because I would love to have it. But this one was actually pretty reasonable. I think off the top of my head, I maybe paid about 40 or something like that for this one. But this is what it looks like on the outside. And I got to choose which one that I picked. And then the inside looks like this. And it has like the little holes and stuff in it. It's just so neat that it's like, you think it's all together. And then, oh no, it's 2 pieces. It's just really, really neat. I was super, super excited when I saw one that is 2 pieces that was actually affordable. So I definitely needed to grab that. Didn't need to, but I wanted to. And then this is like a flame something or other, but look at all of the color variations in here. And I love that it stands. It's so tall. It's a nice, large, heavy chunk. And I'm just so glad that I got this one. This was my favorite one out of them. So again, things happen for a reason. And I think this one was like a 3 or a 4 day thing. And at the very end, they tallied it up. I was quite afraid because I was like, I don't know what my total is going to be. I just am like claiming. And then I got my invoice and I was like, oh, okay, good thing I canceled that other box. So this is everything that came in my very first order. So then I thought that was just like, you know, something that they did for that week. But then I found out it's something that they do all of the time. So I went in another live and I ordered a few more things. So this order, yes, this is the second order. This one does have my packing slip inside of it though. So this one I might be able to tell you the names of them. This one here, it says 22. So let me see. Yes, I paid $22 for this. And this is a kiwi calcite palm. Look at how pretty with the teals and the greens and like that white. This was just gorgeous colors. I'm like, I have to get one of those. So this again, I paid $22. It's the kiwi calcite palm. Then this one right here, it says $20. I have a few that were 20. This one must be the dendritic opal palm. And I paid $20, but I saw the blue and I'm like, oh, I gotta have that. So this is the front side and that is the back side. Then they had these little flowers and they said, buy one, get one free. They were normally $20 each. So I got 2 for $20. And I like that they actually gave me 2 different color variations. This is a flower agate BOGO special. So again, this would have been $20 each, but there was 2 for $20 and they chose 2 different colors, which I was really, really glad that they did and not just giving me 2 of the same. So I have 2 different colors. Again, now I paid $20, so basically $10 each for those. Then I had to get this heart because it was so, so pretty. And I liked that the little drusies coming out right there. This one I paid $25, and this is the Druzy Chalcedony heart. I'm not sure how to say that. But yeah, I paid $25 for this guy. Then this was really pretty, and I thought, oh, let me grab that because it was a nice large chunk. This right here, I paid $20, and it is a nice chunk of selenite. And then the last one for this order is this cute little turtle, and I had to get the turtle. This one here, I paid $24, and it's the green advertine turtle. But it's so cute. So there's the little turtle. And then in this one, we got the same little bookmark, and then the little cards and stuff like that were down inside. Okay. So then the last thing was just a few items that I was like, oh, I got to add a few more because, you know, came with the same little cards and everything. And this one, I do not have my packing slip, but I believe I remember how much they were. So this one here, I actually did buy 2 of these. I already sent one to its new home to my friend. These I paid $30 each. The other one looked pretty much similar. I mean, it was a different cut, so it might have been a different variation. But the other one I'll show you right here. That one now has its own home. This one, it has its new home with me now. Again, I paid $30 each. And that is what it looks like. I don't remember the name of this one. I'll have to show you if I can pull up my invoice and just put it down on the bottom. But it is this heart-shaped, nice, large chunk right there. So I got 2 of these, but again, one's already gone. And then the last thing just to add was this piece of amethyst because I absolutely love amethyst. This one here was $35, and that is how it is cut. And that's so pretty. So that is all of my stuff. I know I spent probably way too much money. But again, I've never really purchased anything like this before. So I'm so excited to now have like bigger pieces that can stand in my collection and just like I can see them better. I have the little points to stand. I have the mushroom. I just have so many things that I can stand now and have height that I'm so excited. So again, it's going to be a little bit before I can do this again, but that's what I want to do. Instead of spending my money on subscription boxes that are bringing me stuff that I don't really like, then I'd rather save that money and use it towards things that I actually do enjoy. So I'm so excited about this order. I just can't wait to just put these out and just keep learning and growing my crystal collection. I can't wait for that book to come out. I think it comes out in either August or September, I believe. So I can't wait to receive that book so I can go through that and start learning more about the crystals to help me identify them, to know what they do, that kind of thing. So I'm really excited. So that is everything to complete from this particular shop. I will link their Instagram down below, and they also have their Etsy shop. If you want to go and check them out, you can purchase things from their live sales. It's super easy. They take the time to package everything so well. I don't know how in the world they remember all of these names and what they do. I hope at one point I get a lot better than I am. That's my goal, but we'll see how that goes. So that is everything that I wanted to show you, my new crystal haul. I'm just so baffled by everything that I got. These are just so genuinely beautiful. I'm so glad that I have them, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So let me know what you thought about them. What do you think of all the crystals that I got? What would be your favorite out of all of these? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.